The BJP in Maharashtra says that the Dhangar community should get the ST reservation, while in Delhi earlier they had the member Hina Gavit, who is also a young tribal girl, but the government clarified their stand on specific reservation for Dhangar, Maratha, Lingayat, Muslim and VJNT, which is demanding reservation. महाराष्ट्र में ये सारे मांग रहे हैं, तो सरकार का स्टैंड क्या है, ये मेरा पहला सवाल है. दूसरा सवाल मेरा ऐसा है कि सरकार ने ये delimitation they have brought in this. Now this, according to this note, it reads that there is imperative to enact the law to provide unalienable provisions empowering the Election Commission of India to make amendments in delimitation of Parliamentary Assembly Constituencies Order 2008 to readjust the seats of Legislative Assembly in the state of Goa for the scheduled tribes of the state. So this is applicable to the entire country. Now I would specifically like to ask this government that they committed to, we had that special session for women, the entire house supported it, for the women's reservation bill. So if the delimitation is so critical and Election Commission has made this special case, what steps is this government taking? Because 2026, it's very important to have the census. So has this government started? Because according to the demands for grants, the amount of money required is 12,000 crores. They have only given 1,000 crores. Even in demand for grants, just today we passed it. We spoke about it yesterday. So what is the position? Because we are already in 2024 is over. There's only 25 and 26. So what is the commitment to this? Because when will this women's reservation be? Because if then by 26 we need a reply, so that in 29, sir, when we all go back to re-election, the women's reservation bill should be passed, and not just passed, implemented in every state. So what is this government doing for that? We also, with Maratha, Dhangar, Lingayat, Muslim and VJNT, ये महिला आरक्षण बिल का भी क्या पोजीशन है? इसके आरक्षण के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? जैसे आपने गोवा में किया, बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन ये भी महाराष्ट्र की जो डिमांड है उसके लिए और महिलाओं के लिए आपका कब तक हो जाएगा? Sir, another question which is very alarming to all of us, sir. You also from Bangalore, sir, very large constituency. I also represent Baramati, which is 23 lakh voters today. Sir, delimitation करना हर सांसद के लिए जरूरी. हम सब पहली बार जब चुन के आए सर, हमारे 10, 11, 12 लाख हमारे वोटर थे. आज 23 लाख, 24 लाख, 25 लाख हो गए. तो बहुत बार इस पे चर्चा हुई है. परसों रेड्डी सर ने भी कहा कि आप ये जो MP लैड फंड है वो अभी हमें नहीं, बहुत कम पड़ता है, उसको भी बढ़ा दीजिए. So delimitation is due in 2029 with all these reservations. So reservation and delimitation, will this government do it on the for 2029? My only concern is because we don't see much activity around the census. So that's my concern. If you could kindly reply for that.